Technology has been a great leveler and has democratized entrepreneurship in India. Today's young entrepreneurs live in a totally different world. They're dreaming of billion-dollar startup enterprises and are turning down 8-figure salary offers from MNCs. Currently, we are said to be in the golden era of entrepreneurship in India. Today technology is cheap and is freely available. Smartphones are growing at breakneck pace and everyone has in their pockets a connected computer. And this is where we, as tech teams, with our Project Swipe come into play. We provide an amazing platform to these aspiring entrepreneurs. Well, InvestSwipe is an app-based platform which creates opportunities for investors as well as entrepreneurs. InvestSwipe was made with the sole purpose of helping these aspiring entrepreneurs get investors easily. And on the investor's point of view, they can see the upcoming ideas and startups which are going to be launched and get the basic idea behind the startup. Investors can also see which startups are currently trending and popular.
Currently, the biggest challenge faced is that the people don't know about the upcoming great ideas and projects which are available in the market and need our support. Getting funds for startup is still a great challenge for the entrepreneurs. Future entrepreneurs don't have the clear image regarding how their ideas could turn into a multi-millionaire startup plan. The importance of a project is that the startups can get a boost in the direction of achieving their revolutionary goal, which could change the world. Investors get a one-stop platform to see the ongoing ideas and can invest in them. The upcoming entrepreneurs will get motivation that they could also achieve their goals and can find the ways to achieve it by looking at the other leading entrepreneurs. The successful startup rate, which is currently very low in India, could also go up by a large extent.
One tour on what app we have made. The app's name is InvestSwipe and it looks like this. So this is the sign-in page where we can sign up the initial details, or we can sign up if we didn't make an account earlier. So I'm going to log in with the initial email and details that I've made. So here we have landed on the home page, which consists of the profile and the logout sections. If we click on the profile section, we'll see the InvestSwipe profile state where we can see the name, age and gender. We can add more features over here later, but for now we have the name, age and gender. We can as well edit these things and it will be saved on the real-time database of Firebase that we have connected it with. So let me change these for now, and then we'll click save details. This section also contains the logout button for logging out of the app. Now we will go to the invest section where there is your investments and invest in business. Your investments basically show the investments that you have made in different businesses, and invest in businesses where you will find different businesses for investing your money in. The business section has the following. Your business is basically where you can add your own business. Business analytics shows all the details of your business that you're controlling, and the business world is where you find all the other businesses by people around the world. And now we can see the your business section where you can add your business. There's a name, there is business name or the title, full description of the business that you are going to open or you have opened, then the phone number and the email. Then you can go to register business and register your business with our app InvestSwipe. Then we can see the investment section again and the home section again. It looks like this, and let us log out of the section. If you press log out once, it will show that click log out again, and then if you press it again, you come out of this app. So this is a basic tour of the app.
It is mainly designed for Android platforms and is compatible with the devices having Android version of 8 or above. The tools and technologies which we have used in this application are Android Studio, which is an Android development tool. We have used Java for writing the codes of this application. Adobe XD, which is a vector-based user experience design tool, is used in this application. The Firebase services is used in the backend architecture of this application. When it comes to what we have achieved so far is that we are ready with the product that will help to initialize the ideas of young entrepreneurs that have an ambition to change the world. We call it as a startup for startups. It will act as a bridge between the entrepreneurs and the investors. In future, we are planning to launch this application on Play Store with more intuitive UI and AI, interactive AI for the users. We are also planning to link the social media accounts of the users with the application. And at last but not the least, I would like to thank our faculty members, Dr. Arpit Bharadwaj and Dr. Deepak Singh. Without their support and encouragement, it won't be possible to make this project. And thank you.